The next numerical on fuels is ultimate method, and under this the first numerical is based on to calculate the percentage of nitrogen. Now 1 gram of the sample of coal was used for nitrogen estimation. The evolved NH3 was collected in 25 ml of N by 10 sulfuric acid. To neutralize excess acid, 15 ml of N by 10 NaOH was required. Calculate the percentage of nitrogen. So to calculate the percentage of nitrogen, the formula is volume of acid used into normality of acid into 1.4, which is a constant, divided by total coal. Normality of acid is given. This is 1 by 10. 1.4 is constant value and total coal is 1 gram. So what we require volume of acid used. Now in numericals में जितना ml NaOH होता है वो उतने ही ml of acid को न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा. NaOH भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है. सो सिर्फ एक चीज इसमें रिमेंबर करनी है कि जितना NaOH, जितना ml NaOH है वो उतने ही ml ऑफ एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करता है. सो हेयर वी आर हैविंग 15 ml ऑफ NaOH एंड टोटल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज 25. सो 15 ml ऑफ N 1/10 NaOH will neutralize 15 ml of 1/10 sulfuric acid. So volume of acid used will be 25 ml minus 15 ml of sulfuric acid. So total 25 लिया है, 15 इसने न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया तो बचा कितना 10 ml. So volume of acid used for the absorption of ammonia is 10 ml. So percentage of nitrogen is given by 10 into 0.1 into 1.4 divided by 1. So the percentage is 1.4%. So this is how we are going to calculate the percentage of nitrogen. So whenever we get the numerical of nitrogen, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड ये फॉर्मूला लिखना है, इसमें से वॉल्यूम ऑफ एसिड निकालना होगा. एंड बस एक चीज याद रखनी है कि जितने ml NaOH है वो उतने ही ml एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करता है. एंड फ्रॉम दैट वी कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ एसिड यूज्ड इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ अमोनिया. उसको इसमें पुटअप करेंगे एंड वी कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. The second type of numerical based on ultimate method is to calculate the percentage of sulfur. Now if I brief it about, then coal which is containing sulfur is treated with fuming sulfuric acid. Sorry, it is nitric acid. And when it is treated with nitric acid, we get sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid is treated with either barium chloride or barium nitrate. So after this treatment, we get a PPT of barium sulfate. And from this weight of precipitate of barium sulfate, we calculate the percentage of sulfur, which is given by sulfur is equal to weight of barium sulfate divided by total coal into 32, which is mass of sulfur, divided by 233, which is the mass of barium sulfate, into 100. Now if we read the numerical, 0.5 grams of a sample of coal was analyzed by bomb calorimeter for determination of calorific value. The calorific value of coal was 8600 calories per gram. The ash formed was extracted with acid and the acid was treated with barium nitrate and a precipitate of barium sulfate was formed. The weight of barium sulfate precipitate was 0 0.05 grams, calculate the percentage of sulfur. So the calorific value of coal is given, but it is not required when we calculate the percentage of sulfur. So it is an extra data. So we only require the precipitate or the weight of barium sulfate which is formed and the total coal which is taken. So if we put up the two values, we get 0.05 divided by 0.5 into 32 divided by 233 into 100. So if we solve it, we get it as 1.37%. So this is the percentage of sulfur.